Guess what? Buy now and pay later has just been added to e-commerce. This is a powerful new feature that allows businesses to offer flexible payment options, boosting conversions and simplifying the purchase process for customers. Let's talk about those amazing benefits. Now you have got enhanced conversion rates being possible. You can increase sales by providing customers with the option to buy now and pay later. You're also going to be able to improve cash flow. This is going to alleviate financial strain on customers by allowing them to spread payments out over time, leading to increased purchasing power and higher order values. You're also going to now be able to expand those payment options to be able to cater to a wider range of customers. So let's talk about the practical use of this new feature update. Now imagine you run an online boutique using the CRM's e-commerce capabilities. Well, now with buy now and pay later, you can attract more customers by offering flexible payment options at checkout, leading to an increased sales and improved customer satisfaction. I love the ability to have these payment options in anything that I'm purchasing. Sometimes it's just nice to be able to spread those payments out, and I think that you're absolutely going to love this new feature, and so will your buyers. So let's go ahead and create a new website or edit one. We're just going to quickly walk through how to create this e-commerce site, and then we're going to jump in to exactly how to use this new feature. So go ahead under Sites and then under Websites. And just like normal, you can create from blank or use a template. Now you're going to go ahead and access that website builder and click Add New Page. You'll need to go ahead and add your store and get that all set up. Go ahead and click Add to Site. Now let's go ahead and make sure you've got those products in there, which is under Settings, General, and then Manage Products. Now make sure you've got that one-step order form. And now when you're setting that all up, you're going to see that there is now an Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay option. It's very simple. This is how they're going to pay. They're going to have the option to pay now, or they can split up those payments. There's also now the financing option, but you can see in this one that that's actually not available. Now you can simply select the duration. This is on the customer side. And then they're going to go ahead and pay at checkout with their preferred payment option. Buy now, pay later for e-commerce streamlines the purchasing process. It is increasing conversions and it's going to expand payment options, empowering businesses just like yours to drive sales and enhance customer satisfaction effortlessly. As always, we hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.